I'm going to show you how to make some pasta. Very simple boiling. We have a couple quarts of water at the boil, and now we're going to add our salt. You don't want to add salt before the water's boiling because, believe it or not, the salt sitting at the bottom of the pan can pit it. It can actually dissolve the metal. So you want the water to be boiling when you put the salt in. You can put a lot of salt in. And you just need a couple tablespoons of oil. And what that's going to do is that's going to help keep your noodles from sticking together. And here I have about 12 ounces of brown rice penne pasta. Isn't that beautiful? The water's boiling. I'm just going to pour it right in. Going to stir it a little bit so that all the noodles get coated with the oil. And that's going to need to boil for about 7 minutes. Our pasta is done, and now we're going to need to drain it. We're going to use our chinois again, and we're going to pour, sorry, I'm left-handed. Pour our pasta right into the chinois and let it drain. And what I like to do with the rice pasta, it tends to be a little bit more starchy, so I like to have some hot water handy, and I just rinse it again to rinse off any excess starch, because otherwise it changes the texture of your sauce, and it's just a little unpleasant. But it's that simple. And we have pasta now. We're going to put it all together.